SHONA RILLA. SHONA RILLA. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah. When they hit me up, it looks like I'm ignoring. Once upon a time, they used to say that I'm boring. Now I'm making power moves like I'm touring. Nothing like a river though, but something long and flowing. Forever switching foes like a cool breeze blowing. Haters on the sideline like soldiers falling. Crippled by success, so I'm forever glowing. I mind my own business, I know where I'm going. He was a ghetto fab, yes, I'm glad that I made it. Easy like a Sunday morning, still motivated. Money and his kids on his mind, he's elevated. He's not a black man in a tight jam. He's selling dreams and hopes like a white man. He's cashing in, so he's a right man. Gorilla since back then. Check my recipe book. This is how I do it, ain't nobody can do it like, oh yeah. No, 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 no. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. The power and the glory, the everyday story. The power and the glory, the everyday story. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Every day. Oh yeah. Every day, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. I sure have my times of happiness. And asking for more, no one asking for less. Only job bless, oh yes. No struggle caught your words to persistence. All I can see is dreams fading in the distance. Now I'm working on my intelligence. No go before the recipe I cook. It came and it took. A dog with a puppy face, I understand the section. There's a holy snog, scientific information. With mental penetration, it's a gift, not an option. When it's all grandson, play your position. Keep them guessing, whatever you wanna hold for ransom. Someone to come and cut your tongue for your wisdom. I'm walking free, but I'm saying that I want my freedom. We're different, that's what we got in common. Come on, I can share my cup of knowledge, pop a mix, don't spill. Check the end of skill, S is for real. To say that this rap game is a pity. Now the people me like a second gypsy. From cross stage to crumbles, only how far, only God knows.